Hi everybody, just thought I'd make another quick video just to tell you about my tinnitus masking devices. And these devices, I live in England and they were provided by the NHS, which is absolutely brilliant, free of charge, and I love the NHS. As I've mentioned in other videos, I am a health professional with over 30 years experience myself. Anyway, I just thought I'd make this video to show you what they are, how they work, and why I need them, and why, if you haven't got any, then it might be an idea for you to actually either purchase some or approach your audiology department, get a referral from your GP, and then try and get some. So basically, I don't know whether you can see it in my ear here, lying over the top. You get two, obviously, and they are little tiny, like hearing aids, and you put them in your ear, put them over your ear, and they are actually hearing aids, although I don't think I've got very much hearing loss at all. I've got very good hearing, really, but you can press a button and it goes beep beep, and then you get like this hissing sound. And when I went to audiology, they did give me a choice of sounds, and I went for this white noise hissing sound. Now the thing is, my tinnitus is so horrible and so bad at times. I get spikes, and obviously I've explained in other videos, mainly at night, well, and in the day, but it's been so bad in the night that I've just reached out for these, to put these on, just to get my mind away from this high-pitched frequency. And today, unfortunately, I was getting spikes during the day, so these went on, and then it sort of takes your mind off of the whatever you're hearing. In my case, a very, very high-pitched electronic microwave kind of frequency, and it's horrible. And if you're experiencing severe chronic tinnitus, disabling tinnitus, then you'll probably understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, these are a must for me now, and I couldn't live without them while I'm suffering with my tinnitus. Of course, I have mentioned in other videos that I do hope to find a cure or a way of getting rid of the tinnitus that I'm suffering from, but for now I really need these tinnitus masking devices, and you can buy them on Amazon, and you know, if you're lucky enough to live in England, then you should be able to get them through your NHS audiology department, and everybody there was lovely. But of course, I actually want to get rid of my tinnitus. I don't want to live with this forever, and I know somewhere inside me that I will get rid of it. So if you're really suffering and you don't know about these tinnitus hearing aid masking devices, then I strongly advise you to get some, and you will actually find that it will give you some tinnitus relief. Relief from your tinnitus condition. Anyway, I hope that was useful, and please like this video, comment about your problems if you want to, or even better, what you found that's actually managed to cure your tinnitus. Please subscribe to the channel, because that will encourage me to make time to make further videos about tinnitus. So thanks again, and wishing you well. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.